Welcome to today's video on the law of supply. In this video, we will explore the concept of supply and how it relates to changes in the price of a good or service. By the end of this video, you will understand how the law of supply applies to real-life scenarios. Have you ever wondered how businesses decide how much of a product to produce and sell? This is where the law of supply comes into play. The law of supply states that as the price of a good or service increases, the quantity of that good or service supplied by producers increases, and vice versa. In simpler terms, when the price of a product goes up, producers are willing to supply more of it. To understand this better, let's look at an example. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who runs a cupcake shop. Sarah buys all her ingredients from a local supplier and makes her cupcakes in-house. One day, the price of sugar increases due to a shortage in supply. This affects Sarah's business because sugar is a key ingredient in her cupcakes. To maintain her profit margin, Sarah has to decide what to do. Sarah has two options. She can either raise the price of her cupcakes to cover the cost of the more expensive sugar, or she can find a new supplier who offers sugar at a lower price. Sarah decides to raise the price of her cupcakes, but now she can afford to buy more sugar and produce more cupcakes to meet the increased demand. As you can see, the law of supply is in action here. Sarah is willing to supply more cupcakes at a higher price, which increases her revenue and allows her to make more profits. So, the law of supply tells us that producers are willing to supply more of a product when the price is high and less when the price is low. This is a key concept in economics, and it helps businesses make decisions on how much of a product to supply. I hope this video helped you understand the law of supply and how it applies to real-life scenarios. Keep watching to learn more about economics and how it affects our daily lives.